Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the Colourpop California 11 collection. Really, mainly the palette. So it's an eye tutorial. I'm also wearing a mascara and a lip from the collection. So if you want to see how to get this look, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. I'll be using Sequoia, and I will be using the BH Cosmetics Pro 18 blending brush. I'm bringing Sequoia all over the above the crease area of my eye. First, I started with the tip base of the brush in swiper motions. Then I started to tilt it just a little bit on the outer edge so that I can use the side and tip of the brush to blend. I'm going to take even more of Sequoia, blending back and forth in swiper motion. I will go ahead and add Sequoia to the other side, and then we'll get into a deeper shadow to deepen up this look. I will be using the Shadow Highway 1, and I will be using the BH Cosmetics number 12 blending brush. I'm using the base of the brush just on the mobile eyelid. As I start to move higher above the crease, I'm tilting my brush and using the edge, and I'll continue to build it from there. I'm taking more of Highway 1, starting from the lower lash line, moving up, tilting my brush now and moving over the crease a little and blending it up and out with the side and the tip of the brush. I will blend it back and forth a little bit here in the crease with just the base of the brush, and then I'll go ahead and do that on the other side. So one thing I did do was add just a little tiny bit more underneath my eye as well, but I will clean that up in a second. And this right here, this is my blending brush from before. So what I did was just blend out the edges so that everything's even more smooth. And I just use the tip of the brush. And even though I'm going fast, these are the lightest touches. So I'm just moving it like that, very lightly, but fast, quick, kind of all over and blending, so that everything is blended like together. We'll also be going into Diego. I will also be using some other BH Cosmetic brushes from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection. So I am using the number 7 brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. This looks so pretty. It looks like a super shock shadow in the pan. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. So the shimmer is kind of loose, so I'm gonna spray just a little tiny bit so that it doesn't fly all over my face. Gorgeous. I'm holding my brush horizontally to the ground, and I move in from the center into the inner corner, and I will start to move it in the inner corner and move my brush at a tilt and use the tip of the brush. So beautiful. So Colourpop Super Shock shadows, like the shimmers, they remind me of Natasha Denona shimmers. Her palettes are very expensive and the quality is fantastic. These shimmers match that quality for so much less. And I think I'm going to take a tinier brush as I go up further. I'm going to use the number 6 brush. It's just a pencil brush. Okay, and I'm spraying a little. I'm going to take it in the inner corner, really get in there, and I'm just swiping away. I'm going to swipe above the crease of the lid. I'm just continuing to go over the creases of my eyelid and blend out. To blend out the very strict edge that has occurred, I'm going to use the number 12 blending brush. I'm holding it at a slant and using the edge and the side to blend out. Go ahead and add Diego to the other side. I am going to add El Capitan, and I think of the El Capitan theater, and we're going into number 9. It's also the same pencil brush we used to sort of bring Diego all over. I'm going into the inner corner, adding it to the inner corner and bringing it up just for some extra dimension in real life. I don't feel like on camera this is going to show much. Go ahead and add El Capitan to the other side. The next shadow will go into his Mission, and I will be using the BH Cosmetics number 12 blending brush. With Mission, I'm going to take my brush kind of like a pencil, holding it like a pencil but toward me, as if I'm going to write on my eyelid backward. In swiper motions, I'm going to blend. I'm quickly doing it, but slowly, so you can see like that, at a tilt. And with Highway 1, I'm taking the very base of my brush, kind of pressing it over Mission and moving forward onto the lid, blending it out into a wing just so that everything is really blended. So if you want to deepen up, I actually like it better like this. I'm so sad that I decided to add the deeper color. It was not necessary, it just was nice just how it was. So you can stay there or keep going, it doesn't matter. But next what we'll do is pop on some lashes, do the full face. The lashes I will be using after you do, if you add or not to the other side. The lashes I'll be using today are the Lashylicious Sultrylicious Lash. So in a makeup miracle moment, we'll be back. And voila, a makeup miracle has occurred once again. So let's get into the lower lash line, and then I will tell you at the end what lip I'm wearing. I will be taking these two cream gel liners from Colourpop, the yellow in Punch and then the golden one in Dirty Talk. I'm using Punch to really help this golden one pop. I'll put this in the waterline first. I just put it in my waterline, and I'm gonna do the same thing with Dirty Talk, but I have to wait a moment after my eyes kind of stop watering, so that's why it's the waterline. Now that my eyes have stopped watering, I'm going to place the golden shade right on top of the yellow because that's the one I really want to stand out, and I love how the yellow base really makes this gold pop, and it's brightening up the lower lash line, so woo, make sure to do that to both sides. The next shadow will go into his Mission, and I will be using the number 5 BH Cosmetics flat brush, and I'm going to take it to the lower lash line out of the waterline and press it just right there. I'm gonna press all over, kind of swipe too. I'm gonna press it there, and then I'm just going to gently swipe it, and then what I will do is blend it out. Okay, so go ahead and add Mission to the lower lash line. I will be using the Shadow Highway 1. I'm taking the number 5 from the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. It's just a thick sort of flat brush. I will use this to blend out the lower lash line a little bit further in swiper motion, mostly on the outer corner into the wing of the shadow. And I'll just continue to blend all over the lower lash line. And so part of the California Love collection, we have a couple of things I'm going to be adding to this look. So this is the volumizing mascara in Brownie Points, the BFF mascara. I love these. And then the Ultra Blotted lip. So this is the first time I'm gonna wear a Ultra Blotted lip from Colourpop. It's in the style or color Cypress Chill. So that's what I will be putting on for lips. And then the lashes will finish this look off. You'll see the lip at the end or at the beginning if you saw it. And yeah, okay. You'll probably see me applying the mascara up there, and that will finish off this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the California Love. I don't know if I said lovin' at first, California Love. It's a California collection, so yeah. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Let me know what other types of tutorials you would like to see here on this channel, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram at nessachicas, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.